She chanced upon two strange bird eggs. Without much thought, she carefully brought them home. Day after day, she kept them warm, turned the eggs, and waited patiently. At last, the eggshells cracked softly, and the two little hatchlings broke free from their shells. From strangers to inseparable companions, she gave them a home with all her tenderness. It turns out the most beautiful fate sometimes lies within a chance encounter.
One step